Ladies and gentlemen, yet another kebab recipe for this Diwali season. It's a flavorful and highly addictive recipe and is great for your taste buds. So why not try it? Let's see how to make it. Step 1 of the recipe is to make the hung curd. You're going to take a muslin cloth or a cotton cloth, pour the curd onto this cloth and drain the excess water from it. Let the water drain for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, you will see this thick yogurt. Now we will add our chopped onions, chopped capsicum, chopped carrots. You can also use any other vegetable of your choice. Add in chopped coriander, green chilies, chopped ginger garlic and give it all a mix. Add in spices, salt to your taste, cumin powder, coriander powder, fresh kasuri methi and give it all a mix. Once your filling is ready, keep this mixture aside. Take white bread and remove the sides. Pour a little water on the bread to make it a little flexible. With the help of a rolling pin, flatten it out to increase its surface. Put a spoonful of this filling in the center. Now using your hands, gently pick this up, press the sides of the bread together. Roll it on a flat surface and pinch the sides together. Like this, we will prepare all the other breads. Time to fry them. Fry them on a medium to low heat for 1 minute until they turn reddish brown in color and they are ready. And it's ready. Now let's look it from the inside. I'm going to slice all the pieces for the serving. Serve them while they are hot. And do not forget to pair them up with green chutney. This is a deadly combination. And don't just make 3 or 4. You're going to end up asking for more. They're that delicious. So I will see you with another video, with another recipe idea. Till then, bye bye.